In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a master task database from scratch in Notion. Hi everyone! Today I'll show you how to create a master task database from scratch in Notion. This setup will help you capture every task in one place, keep priorities clear, and make sure nothing slips through the cracks. First, open Notion and head to your workspace. You can use the desktop app or the browser, either is fine. We're building this in a clean, dedicated space so it's easy to manage over time. Create a new page and name it Master Tasks. Keeping the name clear and simple makes it easy to find later and tells you exactly what lives in this database. Now add a table to the page. Type /table, then choose Table, Full Page. The full page layout gives you more room to work and makes it easier to focus on your data without distractions. You'll see a few default columns. We're going to tailor them for tasks. Rename the columns to Task, Status, Due Date, Priority, and Category. Task will be your main title column where each task name lives. Set Status to track progress. Due Date to schedule when something needs to be done. Priority to indicate importance. And Category to group similar work, like personal, work, or a specific project. If Notion asks for property types, pick Status for status, Date for due date, and select for priority and category so you can choose from consistent options. Next, set up the status options. Click the status column and add To Do, Doing, and Done. Color coding them can make scanning the list easier at a glance. Keeping status names simple and consistent is key for reliable filtering later. Start adding tasks by clicking the New button. Give each task a clear name, set the status, choose a due date, mark its priority, and assign a category. The more complete your entries, the more powerful your database becomes. If you're migrating from scattered notes, add them here so everything lives in one system. To make your database actionable, use Sort and Filter. Sort by due date to see what's coming up first, or sort by priority to focus on what matters most. You can combine sorts if needed. Then use Filter to narrow the view. Show only tasks that are not done, or only items in a specific category. Filters are great for focusing during deep work or weekly reviews. And that's how you build a master task database from scratch in Notion. Keep everything organized in one place. Subscribe for more tutorials.